Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce World. In this video, we are going to learn how to begin speech on the stage. How to start a speech on the stage. Speech is a very important aspect in the life of the students during their education journey. Of course, speech is also a very important aspect in the life of the employees and faculty members during their job journey. And I believe that the popularity of a human being and the fan followers to the celebrity is highly and mainly depend on effective and efficient speech. No worries. Here I brought 5 tips. Tip 1, tip 2 up to tip 5 to start the speech. So with the help of these tips, definitely you can learn how to begin the speech. Before that, we must be aware of auditorium knowledge. And we all know that the different types of organizations, school, colleges, company, they conduct different types of activities, functions and programs. Most of the programs, they will be done in the auditorium. So auditorium knowledge is very important. In auditorium, as per me, 3 types of people will be there in the auditorium. There are 3 categories of people will be observed in the auditorium. Number 1, chief guest on the stage. Number 2, employees or faculty members of the organization. Number 3, students or aspirants from various zones. Here, one must learn how to address the chief guest, how to address the faculty members or employees, and how to address the students or aspirants of various zones. So let's start with the tip number 1. Tip 1 tells about how to address the chief guest. To address the chief guest, you can express like this. So, respected dignitaries on the dais. I repeat again, respected dignitaries on the dais. Number 2, the second important part of auditorium, second important category of people in the auditorium is employees or faculty members. So, to address the employees or faculties, you can express in this way. My dear, sincere, dedicated and committed faculty members or employees of XYZ organization. I repeat again, my dear, sincere, dedicated and committed employees or faculty members of the organization. Exactly, these 3 terms definitely fits for employees. The employees must be very sincere to the organization, the employees must be dedicated to the work, and also the employees should be highly committed to their tasks, duties and responsibilities. Now, tip number 3, to address the students. Remember, students are very important part of the function, very important audience to every program. So when we are addressing the students, make sure that students must enjoy it, students must cheer up. So to address the students, I can tell you in 3 different ways. Got it? Number 1, you can express like this. My dear, beautiful and handsome students of XYZ organization. Number 2, my dear and dearest, cute and cutest students of XYZ organization. And in third, number 3, you can express the students in this way also. My dear, wonderful champions and sizzling stars of XYZ organization. Yes. Now let us know about the tip number 4. After addressing the chief guest, after addressing the employees or faculties of the organization, and after addressing the champions, that is students of the XYZ college, now you can begin in this way. So that comes in the tip 4. You can express the words like this. It gives immense pleasure to me to stand before you all. I repeat again. It gives immense pleasure to me to stand before you all. Next, tip number 5. And I feel very proud to be the part of this program, and I try to address you as much as possible in the time we have today. I repeat again, I feel very proud to be the part of this program, and I try to address you guys as much as possible the time we have today. Yes, these are the 5 different tips to start the speech. Yes, many people are very much interested to express their words on the stage. But the thing is, some people will say stage fear. No, stage fear is not the criteria. Actually, how to start the speech, that is the most criteria as per my knowledge. So nothing to worry, you can make use of these 5 tips which definitely helps you guys to begin the speech on the stage. Exactly, in this competitive world, one must learn to face the stage, because all of us, we do not have the equal talents, but we all have the equal opportunity to enhance or to improve our talents. Exactly, when you focus on problems, you will be having more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will be having more opportunities. Exactly, when opportunities knock the door, you must utilize it and you must rock on the stage. Okay, if someone has done it, even you can do it. If no one has done it, you must do it. That's called the challenging. Okay, thanks for watching my video and start giving the speeches on the stage. Wish you all the very best.
Yeah.